What's up, it's Bree, and in today's video I'm so excited because I'm going to be doing a beauty mystery box from eBay. Oh, this is what the package looks like. Right off the bat, I'm a little concerned because it says Glade on here, and Glade is like an air freshener. So I'm hoping I just didn't get bamboozled. I'm hoping they just put this in this random box, because if so, I'm gonna be upset. Just want to say sorry if I sound a little weird. I'm pretty sure I'm getting sick, but still had to film this video because dedication. Right off the bat, I bought this for $26.53, and it says authentic sealed makeup in beauty box, Sephora, Elf, drugstore, and high end. They also said I won't get any junk items, so I'm hoping that's the case and I didn't just get finessed. So if you guys want to see what's in this mystery box, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and let's get into it. Where to begin? I'm using eyebrow scissors because I can't find any real scissors right now, but that's okay. I feel like I shouldn't look. I feel like I should just grab things one by one. Oh, everything's in a bag. Oh, I don't want to look. Okay, I'm literally just looking at this to untie this. All right, so I'm just gonna pull out random things and let's see what we get. Okay, first thing we have an Elf Flawless Matte Eyeshadow Palette. This is in the shade Matte for Plum. So this is what it looks like. Honestly, I like Elf. I think they're a good brand, and the package did say, and the website did say that you would be getting Elf products, so you know what? You can't beat it. Next thing, what is this? If I just get a bunch of samples, I'm gonna be so mad. This is the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. Basically this is just a little sample, honestly, which I guess is nice to have so you can see what color you are before you actually buy a whole container of it and waste your money. Oh, I grabbed two. Guys, if this is all sample sizes, I'm gonna be so upset. I thought I was gonna get like actual products. What the boot? So the first thing is the It Cosmetics Secret Sauce. This is a moisturizer, and then I got a Sephora Exfoliating Cleansing Cream. So you know what, I guess it is nice to have sample sizes to like test out if you want to buy the whole size product, but like, just give me the whole size product. But I mean, for $25, what can you expect? Alright, I feel an actual product. What is this? Oh, okay. We have a Wet n Wild Mega Lash Liquid Catsuit Matte Lipstick. So this thing is sha-poppin'. This is a bright. Girl. This is bright. First of all, I'm not really into matte lipstick because I always have dry lips constantly. Like, I'm always putting on chapstick, so I just feel like these are really drying on me. And second, this is like a color maybe you could get away with wearing once a year unless you do like crazy makeup all the time, or this is just like your style. So, maybe I can give this to someone. If you know me and you want this, let me know. Or maybe I can do a whole giveaway. I don't know. I guess see. Keep watching and we'll see at the end of the video what's going down with all these products. Next thing. Okay. Is a Revlon Color Stay Dramatic Wear Liquid Eye Pen in Black is Black. I am actually very happy about this product. I wear liquid eyeliner when I put on my falsies so that everything just blends together and it looks flawless. And I actually was gonna buy myself a liquid eyeliner, but you know what? I got one in here because I ran out. All of mine are like dried out, so I need to toss them. So, you know what? Thank you, eBay. What is this? Oh, okay, now I think we're getting to the good stuff. This is the Sephora Rose Hydrating Mist. Cool. This is what I like to see. So basically, whenever your skin's feeling dry, you just spray this on your face, or if you want a little bit of moisture, you just, you know, and then your skin is hydrated and poppin'. I've actually never seen or heard about this ever, so I'm excited to try this. All right. These feel like makeup brushes. Oh, guys, I am so excited now. Okay, what brand are these? It doesn't say the brand, but they feel like pretty good quality. Okay, They feel like pretty good quality, and I can always use some more eye makeup brushes. This is turning out better than I thought. I thought I was gonna get a whole bunch of samples. You guys saw how I was acting in the first half. If I just get a bunch of samples, I'm gonna be so mad. They got me in the first half, not gonna lie. Next thing, what is this? Okay, we have a Wet n Wild Color Icon Rainbow Highlighter. This is what it looks like. It's just a rainbow highlighter. I personally would never use this because I like my highlighters to, you know, be like natural, like champagne-y, golden. But this would be cool for like a Halloween look, or maybe even use these as like eyeshadow separately. You know what? I'm not mad. Oh! Alright, come through eBay. We got a Dior mascara. This is a Dior Show mascara. Obviously, this is the sample size, but like, hey, it's Dior. This is what it looks like. Was not expecting some Dior. I'll take it. We have a CoverGirl True Blend Blush. This is in the shade medium rose. Gorgeous. I will definitely be using this. I love blush. Blush is like one of my staple products that needs to be in my face all the time, so I'm very excited about this. eBay's coming through with the goods. eBay's coming through with the goods. So this next product matches the Sephora cleansing cream. This is just an charcoal exfoliating wipe. It's always good to have extra makeup wipes. And then a Mary Kay Botanical Effects mask. Oh, I always can use a good old face mask, so thumbs up from me. A perfume sample by Clean, and it's in the scent Reserve. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna try and smell it. I don't know. I'm getting sick, so I can't really smell anything. Yeah, I can't smell nothing. You know, I'm gonna pretend that it smells good, because why would they send me a bad smelling one, you know? I feel a product. Interesting. So this is the L'Oreal Infallible Paints eyeshadow. This is in the shade Mistress Noir. So these are the shades. These would be perfect for a nice smoky eye. I think this is really cool because it just paints right on. So you know what? I think I would use this. So there's 3 things left. I just looked because you know what? YOLO. So the first thing is a cream lipstick, which is like a little sample size, by Mary Kay in the shade Frosted Rose. And it is a cream lipstick, so maybe I would wear it. And the color on the package actually looks really pretty. So yeah, this is what the color looks like. I think I can actually see myself wearing that. And we have a, what is this? Oh, this is a Mary Kay medium coverage foundation in a very dark color. So I am not this shade, but you know what? We could use this as a cream contour. We can finesse this for sure. And then the last thing I got was this Pure Again Milk Intensive Hydrating Treatment by Josie Moran. And honestly, I can always use new skincare samples because I like trying out new skincare products. And honestly, sometimes you don't want to buy the whole bottle to see if you like it or not. So it's nice that I get some samples. And then the little sticker on the back says, "Thank you. You're welcome." We're gonna do a little recap. I honestly, for 25 bucks, you get a bunch of stuff. I'll take it. I got a bunch of things that weren't sample size, so I'm actually very shocked about that. In the beginning, I was like, yo, if this is all sample sizes, I'm gonna be mad. But you know, they came through with the products. The makeup brushes, I think that was my favorite thing, and the blush. So I'm very excited. I'm gonna definitely be getting some use out of all of that. So yeah, thumbs up. For $26, you can't beat it. I got some products, maybe some things I would never even have thought to try before, so I'm pretty excited to try some new things. So if you guys want to do your own eBay unboxing, I'll link the one I got down below. I think all of them are different. I think that's pretty cool. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!